Discover the ultimate cooking convenience with our curated selection of the best single-burner options available in the market. Whether you're a culinary enthusiast with limited kitchen space or an avid camper seeking a portable cooking solution, our top picks cater to a variety of needs. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best single-burner you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. Meet the Ovente BGI 21S, a culinary game-changer that transforms your kitchen into a haven of hassle-free cooking. This single-burner powerhouse boasts 1,000 watts of infrared technology, ensuring your meals are heated swiftly and evenly. Versatile and compatible with all cookware, it's your go-to for frying, simmering, and boiling. The adjustable control knob lets you fine-tune the temperature, while the indicator light guides your culinary journey. Elegant stainless steel housing coupled with a sleek Crystalite ceramic glass top adds a touch of class to any countertop. Weighing in at a mere 2.6 pounds, its portability makes it a kitchen essential for small spaces, studios, and RVs. Cleaning is a breeze. A wipe with a damp cloth, and you're done. Backed by US-based customer service, Ovente ensures confidence with a 1-year warranty. Priced at just $20, elevate your cooking experience affordably with the Ovente BGI 21S. Experience culinary convenience and efficiency with the Duxtop 9600 LS, crowned the #4 best single burner. Packed with innovation, this cooktop operates seamlessly on a standard 120 V15 amp outlet found in every North American home. Immerse yourself in the magic of 20 preset power levels of 100 to 1,800 watts and temperature settings of 100 to 460 degrees Fahrenheit, boasting an impressive 83% energy efficiency, surpassing traditional stoves. The sleek digital LCD sensor touch panel offers a child safety lock, a rapid boil button, a keep warm function, and a timer that extends up to 10 hours. Compact and lightweight, this portable marvel is your kitchen's versatile companion, ideal for dorms, RVs, boats, and beyond. Compatible with magnetic cookware, its auto pan detection ensures safety by automatically shutting off after 60 seconds without suitable cookware. Although the induction process is noiseless, the cookware might produce subtle sounds. With a 2-year manufacturer's warranty, elevate your culinary experience with the Duxtop Portable Induction Cooktop for an affordable $115. Presenting the Nuwave Flex Precision, a culinary marvel that transforms your cooking experience into a symphony of precision and flexibility. This single burner stands tall as the 3rd best in its class. Unleash your culinary creativity with on-the-fly adjustments. No need to start over, just tweak the settings as you go. The intuitive digital controls respond instantly, allowing you to dance through 45 pre-programmed temperatures or fine-tune your own from a delicate 100 to a sizzling 500 degrees Fahrenheit. The heavy-duty shatter-proof ceramic glass ensures safety, rigorously tested to withstand intense heat. With superior technology, the slim design and patented insulation bring induction heating coils closer for faster, even heating. No more hot or cold spots. Safety is paramount. Flex shuts off automatically and remains cool when cookware is removed. Perfect for dorms and RVs, the Nuwave Flex Precision is not just a burner, it's a kitchen companion, orchestrating a culinary symphony with finesse and safety. Priced at a modest $67. Experience culinary convenience with the Elite Gourmet ESB 301BF, crowned the #2 best single burner. The 6.4-inch non-stick cast iron flat cooking plate ensures a hassle-free cleanup. Just a damp cloth or non-abrasive sponge is all it takes. Customize your culinary creations effortlessly with adjustable temperature control, offering low, medium, and high settings. Safety is paramount, with a power indicator light signaling the burner's active status and non-skid feet ensuring stability during use. Embrace portability as this burner becomes your trusty sidekick. Whether you're at school, the office, on a camping trip, or at home, unleash 1,000 watts of efficient power for all your cooking needs. Elevate your cooking game with this compact powerhouse priced at just $18. Say hello to the culinary maestro, the Cuisinart CB30P1, an emotional symphony of sizzling delights. This single burner, crowned the numero uno, boasts a robust 1,300-watt cast iron plate, a culinary titan commanding the kitchen stage. With a temperature tamer offering 6 settings, from a gentle whisper to a blazing crescendo, it harmonizes flavors effortlessly. Witness its culinary sonnet through the ready and on indicator lights, illuminating the culinary crescendo. The coil-less surface orchestrates an easy cleanup belay, while non-slip rubber feet ensure a grounded performance. Crowned with a limited-year product guarantee, this kitchen virtuoso is priced at a humble $53, a budget-friendly ticket to a culinary symphony. That just finished our video. Which one is your favorite? Why not let us know in the comments below, and if you enjoyed the video, give us a like. If you want to see more high-quality videos, make sure to hit that subscribe button and you'll get the latest videos straight to your mailbox. That way, you'll never miss a future upload. See you in the next video.